Mr. President, this is no new spending amendment. Again, no new spending. Now is not the time. I think we have all seen with great horror this document prepared by the Senate Fiscal Agency. It talks about consumer confidence being at its lowest figure in 50 years. Auto sales in Michigan down, light vehicle production down 55% from their previous record low set last year. Regular automobile production down 81%, certainly speaks to the nature of our economy. Retail sales have fallen nearly 12%, the lowest figure since that was ever recorded. Housing starts down at their lowest level since records began being kept in 1959. In Michigan, housing starts are down 88% in the metropolitan Detroit area, 81% statewide. The Michigan labor market, since peaking in June 2000, employment has declined 80 of the last 104 months. On an annual basis, payroll employment has declined for 8 consecutive years, the longest decline ever. Payroll employment is expected to continue to drop through 2010. As of February 2009, Michigan had lost 737,000 payroll jobs. By the fourth quarter of 2010, payroll employment is expected to be down by 779,000 jobs. That's 17% off from its peak in 2000. Michigan transportation equipment manufacturing employment is down 65%, a decline of 230,000 jobs, and employment is expected to continue decline in that sector by 72%, which would equate to another 253,000 jobs lost. All that being said, we come to our revenue estimates, and we were scheduled to do budgets this week, but we're not really doing most budgets this week because we honestly have no idea how much money the state has and how much money we can spend. So it would seem to me absolutely nonsensical to spend an additional $500,000 creating a new program for the Department of Agriculture to nebulously go look for and creating new jobs in a sector. We've already said that we don't want to spend more money on workers that are displaced, yet we want to spend another $500,000 on a made-up, brand-new program at a time when we have no clue how to balance our fiscal house for the Agriculture Department. So this amendment strikes that. If we adopt this amendment, if we adopt this budget with such a thing, you know, what does that say to the citizens of Michigan? It says that we've got lots of green paper here. Here's a green report. And we must have some sort of secret printing press in the back room because we're going to print money. And I guess the only thing we have to decide from there is to what picture to put on it. And I think if we vote for this, jackass is the picture. So I sincerely hope that members would vote no, and I'd ask for the ayes and nays.